Hello everybody, and welcome to the Crown Lounge. Today we're going to do something that's nice, easy, refreshing, minimum ingredients, real easy to make. Something that you can make in quantity. Something refreshing, right? Something to sip on the beach. Anyway, what we got going today is a Blue Lagoon. A Blue Lagoon. Yeah, that was kind of hard to say for some reason. First, got our stir glass. All right, real easy. We'll go 1 ounce of vodka. It's kind of neat, right? The little Tito's is now, for the holidays, I guess, has a nice little hoodie on it. Remind me of when my daughter was a teenager in the summertime. Some of y'all with kids will understand that. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of the blue Curacao. Ooh, that was a heavy pour. Last, we're going to use 4 ounces of lemonade. Just gonna give it a little stir. And I'm gonna pour it in the tall glass with ice. And lemonade's already cold, so that helps. And there you have it, a Blue Lagoon. All right, let's try it. Yeah. Like I said, it's a solid drink, right? You got the orange liqueur, vodka, a little lemonade, so it's kind of a citrusy type drink. It's good. It's good. Something you can sit back on the beach and not get too messed up, right? You can have a few of these and be okay. All right, guys, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.